आप लोगों के सामने एक शायरी बोलने जा रहा हूँ जो हमारे वीर महापुरुष के ऊपर है, जैसे महाराणा प्रताप, पृथ्वीराज चौहान और उन्हीं के वंशज सवाई प्रताप सिंह। ये एक ऐसे वीर थे जिन्होंने अपना बलिदान कर दुश्मनों से लड़ा था। जो आप जानते हैं 1798 में कुतुब मीनार का स्थापना हुआ था। इसके बाद सवाई प्रताप सिंह ने एक हवा महल का भी स्थापना किया था। उस पर मैं शायरी बोलने जा रहा हूँ। माना कि थोड़ा पानी कम है राजस्थान की माटी में, अरे माना कि थोड़ा पानी कम है राजस्थान की माटी में, इसलिए तो मुगलों का खून पिया था। हल्दी घाटी ने घास फूस खा रह लिया, फिर भी वह राणा झुका नहीं। टांग कट गई थी उसकी, फिर भी सवाई प्रताप सिंह रुके नहीं। My name is Ankit Singh and today is our presentation session. You know that this session is very important from the every student, like every person, because we are come from the stage and explain from the any topic without any hesitation, like 5 to 8 minutes. It is very important. It is a very important from the every person. So आज मैं ऐसे चीज़ के बारे में बात करने जा रहा हूँ जिसका नाम में ही महल है, और वह हमारे सवाई प्रताप सिंह ने इसका स्थापना किया था 1799 में। Anyone guess my topic? No. हवा महल। हवा महल is a very famous place. हवा महल is a very famous. We are seeing the look of हवा महल. Then we are very proud of, because हवा महल was made from the Savai Pratap Singh. It is also belong from the Rajput. And we know that which place Hawa Mahal was situated? Delhi, Rajasthan. You know that Jaipur is also known as Pink City. That's the main reason. Jaipur under the every home color is pink and red. It is very good. And Rajasthan under the many people are belong, like more than belong from the Rajput caste. It is a very good, and Hawa Mahal history is a very deeply. And Hawa Mahal invented from the Savai Pratap Singh, and he was born on the 2 December 1764. After he was invented from the Hawa Mahal 1799. Then he has a 17 wife and 14 child and 5 daughters. And his every queen is very beautiful and very beautiful. And but Savai Pratap Singh like from the only one wife. First wife very like, because she is a very look like a very good. That's the main reason he is very like. And Hawa Mahal is a very famous place, and we are also go from the Hawa Mahal and seeing the movements and capture the very good photo, and every person and like so much like. And Hawa Mahal is a very delicious place. And Jaipur under we have no any types of problem like a transport problem, because its transport problem, transport is very good, just like air transport, water transport, and every transport is very good. And that's the main reason people are more than like from the Hawa Mahal. You also know Rajasthan is a comparison of the popular, like popular, because Rajasthan under the many people are live, and it is a whole of the state, from the every state, whole of the state. And Hawa Mahal is a 5 floor, but his every floor are different and very unique. अब मैं आप सभी के सामने एक शायरी बोलने जा रहा हूँ, जो शायरी मैंने एक बार बोला भी था, वो शायरी बहुत अच्छा है, इसलिए मैं फिर से वो बोलने जा रहा हूँ। अरे हर तरफ पढ़ाई का साया है, अरे किताबों में वाला किसने सीख पाया है? तो बाबा तो बोलो। अरे हर तरफ पढ़ाई का साया है, किताबों में वाला किसने सीख पाया है? हम तो ट्यूशन जाते हैं लड़कियां देखने, टीचर कहते हैं देखो देखो इतनी बरसात नहीं हो रहा, लड़का पढ़ने को आया है। Then I want to go from my topic Hawa Mahal. And Hawa Mahal was made from the Balua stone. You know that Balua stone? Because now time it is no famous, you know. And Hawa Mahal made from the 5 building, and every floor is a different and very unique. And you know Savai Pratap Singh is also devoted from the Krishna's god. That's the main reason he was invented from the Hawa Mahal. And then you go from the outside, and the scene from the Hawa Mahal, it's look like a mukut, Krishna's mukut, and it is very good. And Hawa Mahal is outer side. Paint is doing the paint of mix pink and red. But you go on the under of Hawa Mahal, then its color is very different, and every floor color is very different and unique. And Krishna's God has also made from the one special room, and he was situated from the third floor, and his third floor is very good, and it's under also available from the hall. And Krishna's God is also swing and come from the people and swing from the Krishna's God and the happy. It is a very good, and all of the money spent from the government. But you have no any doubt because Hawa Mahal was invented from the 1799, but now present in 2025, before 200-300 years after, then Hawa Mahal is look is very damaged. That's the main reason government as doing from the repair the Hawa Mahal in 2005. That's about 45 lakh money was spent from the Hawa Mahal. Also doing the paint is for Hawa Mahal. अब मैं आप सभी के सामने एक और शायरी बोलने जा रहा हूँ जो बहुत अच्छा है। बोल दूँ? ये शायरी तो सूरज अफसर ने बोला है, लेकिन ये शायरी इससे पहले एक फिल्म में बोला गया था, जिसको सुनकर ये फिल्म बहुत फेमस हुआ था, लेकिन मुझे उसका नाम नहीं पता। मुझे तो अपने ने लूटा, गैरों में कहाँ दम था, अरे मेरी हड्डी वहाँ टूटी जहाँ हॉस्पिटल बंद था। अरे मुझे तो अपने ने लूटा, गैरों में कहाँ दम था, मेरी हड्डी वहाँ टूटी जहाँ हॉस्पिटल बंद था। अरे मुझे जिस एम्बुलेंस में डाला गया उसका पेट्रोल कम था, मुझे रिक्शे में इसलिए बैठाया गया क्योंकि उसका किराया कम था। मुझे डॉक्टर ने उठाया, नर्सों में कहाँ दम था, मुझे जिस बेड पर लेटाया उसके नीचे ही बम था। मुझे बम सुरा दिया गया, गोलियों में कहाँ दम था, मुझे सड़क किराने दफना दिया गया क्योंकि उस समय कब्रिस्तान में फंक्शन था। एंड आई come back from my topic Hawa Mahal. And Hawa Mahal, all of the Hawa Mahal under the 953 windows are available. But only from the under of Hawa Mahal about 365 windows are available. Do you know what's the main is many windows are available from the Hawa Mahal? Because any types of program was organized that the queen had come and the scene from the go the window side and scene from the outside. Which types of program are released and also seen from the our husband Savai Pratap Singh. It is very good, and the Hawa Mahal is a very good place, and I don't go from the Hawa Mahal which types of look, but the morning time Hawa Mahal is also look is very beautiful because the sunlight was direct come from the Hawa Mahal, then its color is a very different color and it looks like a very beautiful. And एक जाते जाते मैं आप सभी को सामने एक और शायरी बोलने जा रहा हूँ। बिंदास मुस्कुराओ क्या गम है, अरे जिंदगी में टेंशन किसको कम है, अरे बिंदास मुस्कुराओ क्या गम है, अरे जिंदगी में टेंशन किसको कम है, अच्छा या बुरा तो केवल एक भ्रम है, जिंदगी का नाम ही कभी खुशी तो कभी गम है। So thank you to give me opportunity.